you need, ladies and gentlemen, to come out to a great forest like Thetford, and you need to shake hands with nature. Once you shake hands with nature, life will never escape you. Shake hands with nature, and that is my word of the day. Shake hands with nature. When you come to the Thetford Forest, you can see life has not touched it in millions of years. And when you shake hands with nature, you know that it'll never escape you. You can even shake hands with trees, because trees are very wise. Let me show you. You got to shake hands with nature, ladies and gentlemen. And I am in Thetford Forest, shaking hands with nature. I will not let life escape you, and we should all do this. It's good therapy. It's good for your soul to be free in a natural wilderness. And Thetford Forest is the King's Forest, and it means a lot to me. I used to come out here when I was younger and have parties and bring hundreds of people with me from Jaywick to Thetford, and we partied for 2 days and 2 nights. And look, there's a spider eating food in the middle of the air. Look. How is that spider hanging in midair? That's just awesome. Look at nature. Look at nature. Shake hands with nature. Don't let life escape you.